Spark electrode adjustment. This video is meant to be a representation only. Use caution near the spark electrode tips during operation. A spark discharge may not be permanently harmful, but may cause surprise and temporary pain. No tools are required for this procedure. If a burner on your range is difficult to ignite from the spark, follow these simple steps to improve the ignition. Slightly rotate the brass cap to align one of the flame ports directly at the electrode tip. This allows the air-fuel mixture exiting the flame port to cross the spark discharge. If the igniter is set too low, then the arc will jump to the burner bowl and not cross the fuel mixture stream. If it is, then the igniter electrode will need to be adjusted higher. The cooktop surface has been removed here to show an unobstructed view of the adjustment of the electrode height. Simply remove the burner cap and bowl. Then pull up on the electrode to compress the spring. Then rotate the adjustment nut at the base of the electrode. For best ignition performance, the spark arc must always jump upwards to the leading edge of the brass cap. This quick and easy height adjustment is the same with the cooktop surface in place. This igniter height is too low and causes the spark to constantly arc downward, making the flame ignition difficult. Simply remove the burner assembly, pull up on the electrode to compress the spring, then rotate the adjustment nut at the base of the electrode until the height is correct. Then replace the burner cap and bowl. After adjustment, the optimum height of the electrode tip should be even with the adjacent thermocouple tip. Looking sidelong at the rear of the burner, the height of the electrode tip should typically be positioned between the top and the bottom of the angled area of the cap rim. The spark gap is just as important. The gap between the electrode tip and the burner cap should be between 1 to 3 millimeters apart to produce a strong, hot arc plasma.